Ah, eso allá adentro se está quemando.
¿Adentro de ahí?
Pues sí, dentro de los fuegos
Sí.
artificiales.
Una cosa de dos fuegos artificiales que están vendiendo ahí.
Ay, qué bueno.
All the connexes just caught fire.
Wow.
I drove by 5 minutes ago and it was on fire. Yeah. Connexes just lit. Is what happened. Yeah. Well, the fire truck just went by was going there. Yeah. Oh, y'all lost power too? We live on the other side. We did. But there was an RV back there that was on fire when I drove by.